Welcome to Unique Vehicles, a leading JDM car importer, wholesaler, supplier, and retailer. We are excited to announce the arrival of our latest shipment of JDM vehicles from Japan. These vehicles arrived at the Port of New York on April 27 and have now been cleared from customs. They are currently being loaded onto a trailer to be transported to our yard. These vehicles include Honda Acty, Mitsubishi Minicab and Daihatsu Hijet mini trucks, Suzuki Every minivan with VW kit, Daihatsu Atrai van and Nissan President. We are confident that these vehicles will be in high demand by our customers. They are all in excellent condition and have been thoroughly inspected in Japan before shipment. Please contact us today to learn more about our inventory and to schedule a test drive. Call 973-303-9267. WhatsApp 862-308-8633. We look forward to hearing from you. Welcome to Unique Vehicles, a leading JDM car importer, wholesaler.